So the number of times you show words, pictures, and which is once or twice, and how well are you able to recollect from memory? So whatever numbers that we have here are averages. In other words, for instance, let's say that the experiment was conducted in 2 separate cohorts, one on Monday, another on Wednesday. And I recorded observations. Let's see. One day it was 44, another day 46. I need to get 68. This follows the layout of the homework. And then we'll get to the calculator. So 44, 46, 2 different days, 2 different cohorts. First one, 44 people, let's say one day, shown once, and they recollect what was shown, 44 on date, and then 46 on Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday. The average of 44 and 46, 45. Yes. Yes. Okay. 67 and 69, 68. The average of these two numbers will be 30. Average of those two numbers will be also 30, if my math is right. So each cell has 2 measures, and of course you could have more than 2 measures. You could have 5, you could have 10, 5 here, 5 there, 5 here, 5 there. The more numbers you have, the harder it is going to get. Even for this scenario, doing it manually without calculator, it will be painful. I showed you that table last time. I don't want you to go through that, so we can make this simple. So we started here directly from the means, but before we construct that table, I am going to show a few things. Description, going to have once, twice, words, pictures, writing observations, and what are they called? It's these blank. I took the average of the numbers in the first cell. Which is 45, that's where we started last time. The next one, 68, 30, and 30. Good, we will keep that. what is the average of all these values? Just have to add them all and divide by 4. So 44 plus 46, 90, and then 60 divided by 2. What do we get? Oh, sorry, divided by 3. What do we get?
1, 2.5.
22 and a half.
Oh, wait. Did you say 90 divided by 4?
No, so 90 here plus 60 and divide by 2.
75.
75. The average is these two numbers. What about the average of those two numbers?
One and a half. All of them added together was 206 divided by 4.
Are you sure?
Oops, hold on. I put 32 instead of 20.
Okay.
49.
49.
Yeah, they added up to 196. And divided by 4 was 49.
So 67 plus
69 plus 38 plus 22 was 196.
197.
196.
196. And you divide by
4.
4, what do you get?
49.
49. Okay. And you add all those values and divide it by 4, what do you get?
75.
75. Okay. That seems strange.
So divided by 4 is 37.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is 7.5. Okay, now my life is moving. Okay. So I get 37.5 and I have 49. I can either do it here, or if you look at these two numbers in red, what is the average of 45 and 30? 45 plus 30, 75. 75 divided by 2, 37.5. 68 plus 30, 90. 98 divided by 2, 49. So the point I was trying to make is either you can add all of those, divide by 4, do the same, divide by 4, or you find those individual means and divide by 2 after adding. I would recommend doing it that way because we need the table of means. If things work out this way, it has to work out that way also. Do we agree? Good. So let's add this.
Mean is 56.5.
Okay. And over there.
Shouldn't it be 30?
And is it 56 and a half? Yes?
Yeah.
Now, if you add 56.5, that's 30. 86.5. Good. 37.5 plus 49, 86.5. They match up. If that doesn't happen, it means you made a mistake. That is a checkpoint. So once you find the means, the average of those two, they need to match up. Good? Okay. Row means, column means. And the entire thing, table of means. That's not a terminology that I use, but that's what the book uses. Are we good? Yes.
I don't know how you get the numbers.
Which
Like-
numbers?
Like the 37.549,
This one, the average of these two.
the like 44.
No, the one in red.
Okay.
So 45 plus 30, 75 divided by 2, 37.5.
And then what are we dividing by 4?
So if you do it, all these numbers separately,
Oh,
then you divide by 4. But I'm rather suggesting let's find the average for each cell. So over here, the average is 45, circled in red.
mhm.
Average is 68, circled in red. 48 plus 12, average 30. 38, 22, average 30.
Mhm.
Now that you have the averages, you can average those two together.
Okay.
So this is better because we need the table of means. Good. Any questions before we move on?
Also, for the average, how do you get the average for 45, 30, 60, and 30?
Average of two numbers, how do we find the mean? You add them and you divide by 2. Right? 45 plus 30, 75 divided by 2. 68 plus 30, 98 divided by 2. First thing to do when you do the homework to make things easier on you, start with. Unless you like SPSS, I will show you that also. Do we know how to access StatCrunch? If you, when you sign in my lab, it will show up on the left menu, StatCrunch. Wait, I can show you right here. PhD at works. Right there on the side. Good.
There's also a button when you're in the homeworks, you should like get more help, pops up with staff contribution.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, so like right from homework, it'll take you to a separate tab.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, now we know.
You don't have to exit out of homework too.
Okay, so we didn't, I showed you StatCrunch last time, but we didn't get too involved because you can do ANOVA directly using your calculator. This requires some work. So, first we want to fill this data in properly in StatCrunch. Once we do that, things are a piece of cake. Good. So we have two variables. One is the number of times you repeat, yes, and the type, words, pictures. Lastly, we have responses. Good. So you have to create this for each problem. If you create this, all those 37 parts or whatever that is in the homework, you can complete it in a matter of 10 minutes. Good. Of course, I'm going to show you the calculator approach also. Okay. We'll start with the responses. You can either go row by row or column by column. It is up to you. How do you want to go? Row by row? Yes. That's what I like. So 40, 44, 46, 67, 69, 48, 12, 38, 22. It's good enough. Good. All I did is type up all the numbers. Now, 44 and 46 corresponds to which variable?
Once.
Ones. So type ones. What else corresponds to ones?
67.
67 and 69. So I guess I copy it. Good so far. Next, twice. The remaining four naturally are twice. Do we agree? Twice. Good. Okay. The type presented 44, 46. Yes.
My stuff actually, open it only has like the, it doesn't show the like times, types of response.
Oh, you have to type it in. So go up here, click,
Oh, okay.
and give it a name.
And then I'll just move them over.
Once you do this, save it, just in case you get the answer, incorrectly. Type words 44, 46, and 67, 69. So, yes,
Why are there? Oh, okay.
good. Okay, so 44, 46 are words. So, words, words. Now, are 67, 69 words also?
Pictures.
They are pictures. So I'm going to skip, we'll come back later and fill it in. What else are words? 48 and 12. Okay. Paste that. The remaining four values are pictures. Good. So pictures. Good. I'm going to save this stuff. What's that? What was that? It's 4. I guess it will let me change the name. You can actually do save and it will directly save to your account. I would recommend downloading. So this is the okay, are we good so far? Once you have the data structured properly, it is a piece of cake. So press start down to ANOVA, over to two-way ANOVA. Our responses are stored in the responses column. The row factor would be once, twice, so times. Column factor, words, pictures. which would be type. The table that we wrote earlier are simply the means table. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to select plot interactions. Don't think your book goes with that. Let's select that so I can simply mention what that is. So if I'm going to give a problem on the exam, you either rely on your calculator or you interpret the output that you see, or that will be provided to you. Ready?
Even if.
Head compute. Okay. There, can you see? So, the means table, notice it's sorted in alphabetical order, but do these values match up to what we have? Okay, so here they are giving us the mean, not the sum, right? I summed to verify 36.5 and 30. We got 43.